Under the user management section in the admin tool, this is where you are going to manage all your elements of your users. This is where you're going to be able to edit them, add a new user, delete users, search for particular users. So let's actually start with a search. If we look here, if we want to search anybody, let's just search for Tom. The system's going to filter out everybody else except for Tom. And then if you want to edit him, you can click edit. And a new screen will pop up. It'll provide you with all the information that Tom has, from username or the user information to the billing and shipping information, down to the privileges that Tom has. Right now he's assigned as a bidder. If you want to give him admin privileges, you would select the admin checkbox, and the rest of these boxes will then be selectable. So in the event Tom wants to join you and work for you, and you want to assign him as an inventory manager, where he can begin to manage all the inventory during the busy seasons, you can select that, click save, and then he'll now have access to the admin side, particularly only for the inventory section. If Tom happens to be a consigner, you would select consigner box, and then these boxes are now able to have data entered into them, so you can place the sales tax percentage or commission percentage. You can go ahead and cancel out of this. Well, one thing to note here: the send account to info. Let's send the info for this account to Tom if he happens to lose it by simply clicking that button. All the information, all his user information will be sent to him so he can log back into his account. So let me go ahead and reset the search here. Now if we want to search, we have these different filters here. If you want to search bidders only, we can select the bidder checkbox, and the system will filter out anything but bidders. If I want to look at consigners only, I can select the consigners. The system will do the same thing, and the same for admins. Okay. Now to add a user, it's much like when we were editing Tom's, except obviously the only difference you're going to see here is that there's no information that populates the fields. So again, you have the user information, billing information, shipping, and assigning this user particular privileges. Now if we scroll down to the bottom, this is where you can do a batch upload. So if you don't want to add one user at a time, this is where you can, again, download our CSV file, which shows you the format and how to format the information. And then you would browse to find that file, and you would upload the file to the system. And that is how you manage the users.